Hello everyone, it is absolutely wonderful to have you back here at the QA Online Academy. I'm Annie, and I'm so thrilled to continue our Python journey together today. Let's start by briefly reviewing our last session on Python tuples. Understanding unchangeable collections is fundamental for what we're about to learn next. Today we are mastering Python sets. We'll be focusing on how to store collections of unique, unordered, and unindexed items. A set is one of 4 built-in collection types in Python, alongside lists, tuples, and dictionaries, each offering distinct advantages for your programs. To define a set in your code, you'll need to use curly brackets. Let's look at a practical example in PyCharm. Notice the curly braces here. When we print the set, the items appear as a single collection, though the order might change every time you run it. The real magic of sets is how they handle identical entries. They automatically handle and eliminate any duplicates for you. If you try to add the same value twice, Python simply ignores the extra one. This ensures every single element in your set remains completely unique. This duplicate rule also applies to certain Boolean and integer values that Python considers identical. As you can see, false and 0 are treated as the same value. Python will only store one of them in your final set to maintain uniqueness. Checking the size of your collection is just as simple as with other types. You can use the built-in length function. By passing your set to len, Python returns the total count of unique elements. It's a quick and efficient way to monitor your data at any point. Sets are also incredibly versatile regarding the type of information they can hold. You aren't limited to just strings or numbers. This example features a single set containing a string, an integer, and a Boolean simultaneously. It's a powerful way to group related data points. To be absolutely sure about your data structure, you can always ask Python to identify the object's type for you. Running the type function confirms the object belongs to the set class. This is a great debugging tool as your programs become more sophisticated. Beyond curly brackets, there is another way to build a set. You can use the set constructor to convert other collections. Using the set constructor requires double round brackets, as shown here. This syntax builds your set just as effectively as the direct method. Now it's time for a quick challenge. Please open PyCharm on your computer right now. I'm going to show you 3 options, and I want you to identify the set. Time's up. Did you spot the set? Let's take a look at the correct choice. The solution is choice C. Remember, sets are the ones that use curly brackets. If you pick the third option, you've mastered the basics. Great job. That's it for Python sets. In our next chapter, we'll explore Python dictionaries, so don't miss it. Keep practicing at home in your free time. Please visit our website and join our community on YouTube and TikTok for more lessons. Don't forget to subscribe and leave your feedback. Thank you so much for joining me today. Go back and review previous chapters if you need a refresher. I'll see you in the next lesson. Happy coding!